Hello, everyone. Hello. How is everyone doing today? I hope you're having a fantastic Monday. My name is Zenobia Dyson, aka Euphonia 7 with Skybox Productions, and I am here to just stop by just briefly to cordially, personally invite you to the Queen's Bootcamp that's coming up this spring. Now, before I get into any details, you got to sit here and just give me 5 minutes of your time because I really want you to take this in. I really want you to be a part of this boot camp because, ladies, this is not only for you, this is for me as well. Corey Dyson Jr. has got together with me and say, Mama, what you got? And I said, Corey, I got something for the ladies. I got something for these queens, and this is so impactful. And that's the thing that we want to do. We want to impact our community, impact our ladies, and it's such a special treat for all of you ladies because for each and every one of you, there is a queen inside of every one of you ladies, and I want to bring that out of you. See, this is what I want you to know. You still have a purpose and you still have a destiny to reach. And I want you this spring, May the 8th, to raise your vibrations on a whole new level. You can see I am excited about this because I want you to come out of this hibernation season. I want you to come out of this pandemic season, come out of this self-neglect season, and come into the vibration to change your mindset. Come to hydrate your mind, come hydrate your body and your soul with positive thinking, vibration, balance, and mental power. I want you to take your frequency to a higher level, okay? I want you to take your clarity higher. I want you to take your peace higher. I want you to take the love for yourself higher. Come into the power of intention. I am personally here to invite you to come. The ticket is only $20, ladies. It's very affordable. We're going to have nice refreshments included. We're going to have sounds. We're going to have exercises. We're going to engage with one another, interact with one another. Don't think that you're going to be sitting down the whole time for these 2.5 hours. We're going to be working because that's what boot camp is about. Be active, be moving, be working. And there's going to be some twists and turns and probably even some cries. But guess what? We as queens, we stick together. So I want you to be there at the Navy Recreation Center on Saturday, May the 8th, okay, from 12:30 to 2:30. That's our afternoon session, okay? And then if you can't make that session, come to the evening session, which is 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Now go on Facebook and look at our calendar, and all of the links are there to which session you can be available for because we made 2 sessions available just in case somebody can't make the first one. Well, they can make the second one. Now both sessions are identical. Everything is the same. We're just making it, available to those who wants the afternoon or the evening time. I want you to be there. I want you to be a part of this because our mission for this boot camp is to develop and grow confidence in order to lead with a persistency. The mission of this boot camp is to empower, to inspire, to connect and transform. There's going to be 4 modules to this boot camp, and we're working on the first one, May the 8th, and that is to empower. So we want to go through your life. I want you to go through your life in sequences of concentrated coaching activities. I'm so excited that challenges the old beliefs and set the old beliefs on fire. Then arise anew. Are you listening? Arise anew from the ashes with renewed optimism, self-awareness, self-love, and self-acceptance. Come on, ladies. It's only 2.5 hours. And we're going to be engaging with one another, meeting new people, breaking bread together. And guess what? We're going to come out with a new mindset and we're going to be ready for the next module to come, which is to inspire. Ladies, I really want you to be a part of this. I want you to come. It's only $20. 12:30 to 2:30 or 3 to 5, whichever one. Take off from work, get off early, whatever you got to do, because this portion of the boot camp is to educate, to impact, and create affirmations. Don't come dressed up. Please don't come in heels. I want you to come in shorts, jeans, tennis shoes. I want you to come in t-shirts. That's what boot camp is about. It's not about being pretty, because we got some things that we got to be fixing on, okay? And then our next module is going to be inspired. That's to stimulate and live with purpose. Everything is not going to happen overnight, but we're going to teach you in quad. It's a quadrant boot camp. We're going to teach you in quads. So I want you to get ready to vibrate at a higher level. This is about personal growth and power. I want you to be there. You're going to be there. I'm going to be there. So guess what? Bring your family. Bring your friends. Look, it's limited seating. Only 42 people can fit in there. More can fit in there with the COVID. You know how it goes. So 42 people at each session. Look, it's going to be impactful. It's burning inside of me. I can't wait for you to be there. Hey, look, I got a little hint to give you. Be ready at the parking lot. All right? All right.